Good morning, students. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class, we have discussed concept of quadratic equations and expressions. In that concept, I am going to discuss the problems. These are in level 1 problems. Read the first question. If alpha comma beta are roots of the equation x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, then find alpha plus 1 divided by beta plus beta plus 1 by alpha. Here we know that alpha, beta are roots of the quadratic equation. What is the formula actually? Alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b by a. Alpha, beta, c by a. Sum of the roots, product of the roots. We know the formula. And here identify that a value is 1, b is 3, c is minus 2. Now, what is alpha plus beta, students? Minus 3 divided by 1, that is minus 3. And the product of the roots, alpha, beta, c by a, minus 2 by 1, that is minus 2. Okay, now we need to find alpha plus 1 divided by beta plus beta plus 1 divided by alpha. Take LCM. LCM is alpha beta. And numerator, see that alpha into alpha, alpha square plus alpha plus beta square plus beta. But in the numerator, alpha square plus beta square is set. What is alpha square plus beta square formula, students? That is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus again alpha plus beta is set divided by alpha beta. Substitute the values. Alpha plus beta means minus 3 whole square, 2 into alpha beta minus 2, alpha plus beta minus 3 divided by minus 2. Overall, observe here, we get answer minus 3 whole square, 9 plus 4 minus 3 divided by minus 2. That means 10 by minus 2, that is minus 10 by 2, that is equal to minus 5. Now correct answer is minus 5. Which option correct, students? Fourth option. See the second question. What they are given condition. Alpha comma beta are roots of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then write the conditions here. Alpha plus beta, that means sum of the roots, alpha plus beta minus b, product of the roots, only c. Actually c by a means x square coefficient, a value should be 1. That's why no need to write. Now see the second quadratic equation. Alpha plus h, beta plus h are roots of x square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. Now here write sum of the roots. Alpha plus h plus beta plus h, that is equal to how much? Minus q. Similarly, find product of the roots. Alpha plus h into beta plus h, that is equal to r. Now here simplify h plus h 2h minus q into minus alpha plus beta send right hand side. Already we know that alpha plus beta value minus q minus alpha plus beta value minus b. Now 2h is equal to minus q plus b. Now what is h? B minus q divided by 2. This is the answer. And see the question what they are asking, h value, only h value. So that's why I am substituted alpha plus beta and separated h. So we got answer. Which option correct? Fourth option. This is also very easy question. Students, see the third question. What they are given. Sum of the roots of the equation is 6. Sum of the roots given. Then find k value. First observe that quadratic equation, it is not there in proper order. So that's why. So we need to change. 5x square minus 4x plus 2 plus multiply with k. 4k x square minus 2kx minus k is equal to 0. Now take observe x square terms. Take x square common. We get 5 plus 4k into x square. I am taken x square common. Next, take minus x common. Minus 4 plus 2k into x. I am taken minus x common. Remaining constant term 2 minus k is equal to 0. Now, sum of the roots. Sum of the roots. How much given? 6. Now observe that in that question, what is sum of the roots? Minus b by a. Minus b. This is b. This is a. Okay. Substitute here. Minus of minus plus 4 plus 2k divided by 5 plus 4k, that is equal to 6. Now take the cross multiplication. 4 plus 2k, that is equal to 30 plus 24k. Here we need to find k value. K value. So 2k send right hand side, 24 minus 2, we get 22k. And 30 send left hand side, 4 minus 30 minus 26. Therefore, finally, k value minus 26 by 22. Here, do some calculation with two tables. 2 13s are 26, 2 11s are 22. So finally, what is k value? Minus 13 by 11. Which option correct? Fourth option. Now fourth question. Omega is an imaginary cube root of unity. In cube root of unity, some conditions are there. 1 plus omega square value 0 and omega cube is equal to 1. These are the conditions. Remember it. This will come in complex numbers again. And here two roots given. One is alpha. Alpha is equal to how much? 2 omega plus 3 omega square. And beta given. How much? 2 omega square plus 3 omega. We need to find a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. If alpha beta roots means how to form the quadratic equation. X square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. This is the formula. Now first find alpha plus beta, sum of the roots. Alpha, already we know that 2 omega plus 3 omega square plus beta 2 omega square plus 3 omega. Here observe that omega and omega square terms. Omega, there are 5 terms, and omega square also 5 terms. I am taken 5 common, 5 into omega plus omega square. Here observe the formula, 1 plus omega square value is 0. Then what is omega plus omega square? Minus 1. So that value is minus 5. Next, find product of the roots. Alpha 2 omega plus 3 omega square. Next, 2 omega square plus 3 omega. Students, multiply these two. 2 omega into 2 omega square. 4 omega cube plus 6 omega square plus 6 omega power 4 plus 9 omega cube. So already we know that omega cube value is 1. Yes or no? So here 4 into 1 plus. In these two terms take 6 common, omega square. What is omega power 4? Omega power 4 means we can write omega cube into omega. Omega cube value is 1. Then overall omega power 4 is omega plus 9 into 1. 9 into 1, 9. 4 into 1, 4. 9 plus 4, 13 plus 6. Omega square plus omega, that is minus 1. Overall see that 13 minus 6, 7. Now we got alpha plus beta value is minus 5. Alpha beta value 7. Those values substitute in this formula. X square minus sum of the roots minus 5 into x plus product of the roots 7 is equal to 0. Now simplify. X square minus into minus plus x square plus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Students, which option correct? First option. This type of model is important in objective. Students, see the next question. If P and Q are roots of quadratic equation, x square plus px plus q is equal to 0, then see the options. Here we need to find p value. Okay. First I am going to find sum of the roots. P plus q. How much? Minus b by a. That means minus p by 1. This minus p. Product of the roots. pq. That is equal to c by a. C is q. Here different values will come. For suppose C, here if in case q is equal to 1, then what happened P? P is also 1, right? P is also 1. If q is equal to 0, the equation will be satisfied or not? Here, take that P is equal to 1 or q is equal to 0. The equation will be satisfied. See, P is equal to 1 means we get q is equal to q. It is satisfied or not? If q is equal to 0, you'll get 0 is equal to 0. Okay, students. Now, P is equal to 1 and Q is equal to 0. Both are satisfied. So Q is equal to 0. Substitute here. Then what happens? P plus 0, that is equal to minus P. 2P is equal to 0. Then P is equal to 0. Overall, observe that how many P values we got. This is one P value. P is equal to 1. Another P value, 0. So we got two values, 1 and 0. Which option correct, students? Second option correct. Students, see the next question. Nature of the roots and properties. Here, one root of the quadratic equation is 1 plus I. Then the other root is. So every quadratic equation having the two roots now. Here, one of the root given, let that is alpha. Alpha is equal to 1 plus I. Then we need to find beta, other root. Here they didn't give it. Now, by observing the quadratic equation, tell me sum of the roots. How much? Minus of minus 3 plus 2i divided by 1. Alpha plus, so alpha means 1 plus I plus beta, that's equal to 3 plus 2i. And 1 plus I send to right hand side. What we get? 3 minus 1, 2. 2i minus I plus I. So beta is 2 plus I. So other root is 2 plus I. Second option correct. If the expression can be expressed as perfect square. The given expression is a perfect square means, then what are the conditions? For suppose, see here, f of x. I am taking perfect square. For suppose x minus 1 whole square. It is perfect square or not? Expand x square minus 2x plus 1. Here find discriminant delta. What is discriminant formula? B square minus 4ac. Substitute minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c also 1. Overall, observe this 4 minus 4, that's equal to 0. The given expression is a perfect square means. So, what is the condition? Discriminant is equal to 0. Okay, remember it. This is shortcut formula. Now, use that. Discriminant is equal to 0. B square minus 4 is minus of 5m minus 2 whole square minus 4ac. C means 4m square plus 10m plus 25, that is equal to 0. Now simplify this. Minus whole square positive, 5m minus 2 whole square, expand 25m square minus 20m plus 4 minus 4 4s are 16m square minus 40m minus 100 is equal to 0. Students, 25m square minus 16m square, that is 9m square, minus 60m, 4 minus 100, 96 is equal to 0. Here, take 3 common, we get 3m square minus 20m minus 32 is equal to 0. Now tell me factors. What are the factors, students? Tell me. 3 into minus 32. 3 2s are 6, minus 96. Minus 96 when it is possible. 12 8. 12 8s are 96 now. Right. 3m square minus 12m minus 8m minus 32, that is equal to 0. Now first two terms, take 3m common, we get m minus 4. Next two terms, take 8 common, m minus 4, that is equal to 0. Now 3m minus 8, m minus 4, that is equal to 0. Then what about m value, students? One of the value is 4, another one is 8 by 3. So m value is 4 and 8 by 3. This is the answer. Okay. Which option correct? Which option correct? 4 and 8 by 3. First option correct. Okay. Here factors wrong. Now these are correct. 3m square minus 24m plus 4m minus 32 is equal to 0. Now 3m take common, we get m minus 8. Next 4 common, we get m minus 8 is equal to 0. Now overall observe that 3m plus 4 into m minus 8 is equal to 0. So what about m values? One is minus 4 by 3, another one is 8. This is the answer. So first option is wrong. Correct answer is fourth option. Okay.